When you are filling the form, expression of interest, you are asked, what have you done for the NRM the last 10 years? Those are the guidelines. We have not changed them. The person aspiring to this office has only worked for 3 years for the NRM. You send a very wrong signal. That's why you protected Haji Chigongo, because of seniority. But now you are saying, Rebecca Kadaga, you get out. Really? Your Excellency, I find this unacceptable. I'm not going to take any other position. I'm the incumbent, and I say this is my position until I'm voted out.
The people who are saying they are an old, senior, and respect the party, walked out of the party and stood independent. Is that love for the party? The notion of saying Anita is new. Yes, I am new, but I come with new ideas and new vibrancy. The mobilization that I am doing for this party, I can have over 10 members of parliament here that I have brought from opposition to NRM, and here they are.
We just need to sort out the logic. Right Honorable Kadaga needs to correct the idea that anybody is hunting her. Because there's nobody who is hunting you. And also, it is not correct for you to try to involve my people, the Basoga.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.